So GoHighLevel has been building out its AI tools at a pretty rapid pace, and if you haven't taken a look at what's inside the platform lately, you might be surprised at how much is in there. Because we're not just talking about a chatbot or a simple automation trigger. We're talking about a full AI studio with tools that can handle phone calls, run your chat conversations, generate content, and even build out entire automated workflows from a single text prompt. And whether you're brand new to Go High Level or you've been on the platform for a while and just haven't had a chance to explore the AI side of things, this is going to give you a solid picture of what's available and what it can do for your business. And if you want to try Go High Level for yourself, I've got a link in the video description below where you could start a free 30-day trial. So on that note, let's get started. Okay, the first AI tool I want to show you is something called Ask AI, and it's essentially a smart assistant that lives inside the platform and knows the platform. We're not talking about a generic chatbot. This thing is trained on Go High Level specifically, so it can answer questions about features, walk you through setup steps, help you troubleshoot, and guide you through building out your account, all without you having to leave Go High Level or dig through a bunch of help docs. And let me show you how to find it. So over on the left sidebar, click on where it says Ask AI. It's got the little sparkle icon on it. And then once inside the interface, it's super clean and familiar. It looks and works just like a chat. You've got your conversation history on the left, so you could revisit previous sessions. There's a new chat button if you want to start fresh. And then front and center, you've got your input box where you just type your question and go. It's as simple as that. And let's see it in action. So for this example, I'm just going to type in a question, something like, what types of AI agents can I implement in my business to help generate leads and revenue? And then we'll send that through, and right away you could see its thinking. And what's really cool here is that if you look on the right side of the screen, you can actually see its thought process in real time. It's figuring out the best way to answer, searching its knowledge base, and pulling together a relevant platform-specific response. And when it comes back, we get a really detailed breakdown. We've got voice AI agents, voice AI chat widget, conversation AI, and so much more. It's not just naming them either. It's explaining what each one does and how it fits into a lead generation strategy. And this is what sets Ask AI apart. It's not giving you generic advice that you could find anywhere. It's speaking the language of Go High Level and showing you exactly what's available inside your account. It even maps out how all these tools work together in a real lead flow. So you can see the big picture of how it actually puts this into practice for your business. Then here's where it gets really useful. At the end of the response, you can continue interacting with it to move forward. It actually asks you if you want help setting any of these up. So I'm going to say, yes, please walk me through each one, starting with the voice AI chat widget. And just like that, after I send it through, it shifts into setup mode. It gives you a step-by-step guide, enabling the feature in settings, configuring the agent, generating the embed code, adding it to your site, and testing it live. It's even pulling in pro tips specifically for how to get the most out of it. And this is the thing I really wanted you to see here. You could have a full back and forth conversation with Ask AI, and it holds context the entire time. It knows what you asked before, it knows where you are in the process, and it just keeps walking you forward. It's like having a Go High Level expert on call 24/7 right inside your account. And whether you're brand new to the platform and trying to figure out where to start, or you're already up and running and you want to unlock features that you haven't used yet, Ask AI is going to save you a ton of time and frustration. Then speaking of setting up AI agents, let me show you how to actually access them here in Go High Level. So over on the left sidebar, click on where it says AI agents. And that's going to open up what they call the AI Agent Studio. And you can actually click the Get Started button. And when you do, a panel slide opens up on the right side of the screen. And this is really cool. It opens up an AI chat that actually walks you through the setup process. It's like a guided tour built right into the platform. And by default, you could also see that it says, I want to set up an AI agent for my business. Can you help me get started? And it immediately jumps into action and even asks you what type of agent you want to build. The guided workflow takes a lot of guesswork out of getting started, which is great if you're brand new to this. Then on that note, let's walk through each of the agent types available inside the AI Studio. So up at the top of the screen, you'll see a row of tabs. If we click on Voice AI, and this is where you could set up your Voice AI support agent. And one really cool feature that they have here is that you could actually test out the Voice AI agent right here in real time. Just click on where it says Tap to Talk, and I'll let you hear a live conversation.
Hey there. Welcome to Appear Management LLC. I'm your AI assistant. I can book appointments, answer questions, and take down details. What would you like to try?
Hi, let's book an appointment.
Absolutely. What day works best for you? I can offer openings on weekdays. Just let me know which day you have in mind.
Let's see. How about weekdays?
For weekdays, I've got openings at 10 a.m., 2 p.m., and 4:30 p.m. Which time works for you and on what day?
Well, first, let's do the day. What openings do you have for Tuesday again?
All right, so that's Tuesday, which is today. Would you like the 2 p.m. or 4:30 p.m. slot? It's just after 1 p.m. now, so the 10 a.m. slot has passed.
Okay, yeah, let's do Tuesday, 4:30 p.m.
Got it. You're down for 4:30 p.m. today, Tuesday. Can I get your name for the booking?
Sure. My name is Ben,
Thanks, Ben. And what's your email for the confirmation?
and you could tell there I was even trying to trip it up, and it stayed with me and answered the questions perfectly. And that right there is what your customers will experience. It's natural, it's instant, and it's available around the clock. That's a voice AI agent doing its job. Then, when you're ready to build your own, you've got two options. You could either create from scratch, which gives you full control to build exactly what you need, or you can explore the templates. And here you could browse a massive marketplace of pre-built voice AI agents. And this templates marketplace, it's really impressive. You could filter by category, things like email, memberships, advertising, calling, and more. Then you could filter by use case, business niche, pricing, etc. And then on the right, you could see all of the different types of AI voice agents like real estate, service business, legal firm, e-commerce brand, and so on. There's likely already a template built for your exact use case. You just pick one that fits, tweak the name, connect it to your number, and you're live. It's really that fast. All right, next up is the Conversation AI agent. And you can get there by clicking Conversation AI at the top. And this is GoHighLevel's Chatbot Builder, and it's designed to handle text-based conversations with your leads and customers automatically across multiple channels, all without you having to be there. And when you land here, you're on the Conversation AI Agent's dashboard, and once your bot is live and the conversations are flowing, this is where you'll track how it's performing. Then up in the top right corner, you'll also notice a Manage Knowledge Base button. That's where you can feed your bot information about your business so it can answer questions accurately. And then next to that is the Create Bot button. And that'll give you a pop-up that gives you two options for how to build it. The first is prompt-based. That is the simpler one of the two. You write your own custom instructions and the AI follows them. It's great for things like answering FAQs, booking appointments, and qualifying leads. If you're comfortable writing prompts, this is a solid starting point. The second option is the flow-based builder. It's a visual drag and drop builder that lets you map out complex conversation flows with advanced logic, branching conditions, multi-step lead nurturing, and more. And if you've got a lot of information to capture or more sophisticated process to walk leads through, this is the one to choose. It's recommended for advanced users, but if you used a flow builder before, it'll feel pretty familiar. Then once your bot is created and configured, you can find it by clicking over to the Agent List tab, and this is where all your bots live. You can see the agent name, its status, which channels it's active on, and when it was last updated. Then to access the bot, if you click that three-dot icon on the right, you'll get a pop-up menu, and if you select Open in New Tab, you'll be able to access some specifics and settings about your bot. You'll see the bot settings, bot training, bot goals, and dashboard. If you click on bot settings, this is where all of the foundational configuration lives. You set all of this up during the initial configuration, but by the time you get here, it's all dialed in and ready to go. Then if we click over to bot training, this is where you connect your knowledge base, the information your bot draws from when it's answering questions, and then you could set up triggers to route conversations to different knowledge bases depending on the context if you need to. And then on the right side of the screen, this is the fun part, you'll notice a test your bot panel. This is where you can actually chat with your bot in real time to see how it behaves before it ever talks to a real lead. And I'll just type in, where can I find more information about your company? And in a few moments, it comes back with a helpful on-brand response, pointing to the website, explaining what the company does, and offering to help further. That's the bot pulling from its training data and responding exactly the way it was set up to. Super useful for making sure everything's working before you flip it live. Then the last tab here I want to go over is the bot goals. This is where the bot's personality, purpose, and behavior all come together. You'll see fields for personality, so you can define the tone and communication style, a goal field that tells the bot what it's supposed to accomplish, and an additional information section where you could feed it detailed context about your business. You could also set up actions, things like appointment booking, trigger a workflow, capturing contact info, and more. All of this gets configured during the setup process, so once it's done, the bot just runs. It knows who it is, what's it supposed to do, and how to do it. And that's really the beauty of conversation AI. Once it's set up, it's working for you 24/7 across every channel, qualifying leads, answering questions, and booking appointments without you ever having to lift a finger. All right, next up is Content AI, and you could access this agent by clicking that tab at the top of the studio. And this is where GoHighLevel's built-in AI content generator lives. This is essentially an AI writing and image creation tool baked right into the platform. So you don't have to jump between GoHighLevel and a separate tool every time you need to create something. Now here's something I'm going to flag before we go any further. You'll notice up in the top right corner it says Upgrade to AI Employee. That's because Content AI is part of GoHighLevel's AI Employee subscription, and it's only $97 per month. But you get unlimited access to all of the AI tools, so it's definitely worth upgrading if you have the budget for it. All right, last but definitely not least, let's talk about automation. And you can get there by clicking automation in the left sidebar menu, and this will open up your workflows list. This is where all of your automated sequences live and where you could build them out. And there's a feature on this page that I really want to highlight because it's genuinely exciting, and it's still in beta, but it's only going to get more powerful over time. So if you look in the upper right corner of the workflows list, you'll see a button that says Build Using AI. If you click that, a pop-up appears that asks you a simple question. What do you want to automate? And then right below that, you could build out your workflows. There's some quick start suggestions like lead nurturing, form automation, email campaigns, and more. But you could also just describe what you want in plain English and let AI figure out how to build it. But for this example, I'm just going to click on email campaigns, and that'll give me a pre-made prompt. And then we'll send that through, and it drops it straight into the workflow builder. And this is where things get really cool. The interface is split into two sides. On the left, you've got a chat panel, and the AI has already responded with a full breakdown of what it built, the workflow name, the trigger, and each action in the sequence. It's explaining its own work in plain language so you know exactly what's happening at every step. Then on the right, you've got the visual canvas, and this is the actual workflow that it built from that one prompt. You could see the trigger at the top, then the steps flowing down, like send an SMS greeting 3 days before the birthday, wait until the actual birthday, then send the special offer email, and end. All of that was generated automatically from a single prompt. And this isn't just a read-only preview. You can interact with it. You can click into any of the steps on the canvas to edit and configure it. You could type follow-up messages in the chat panel to ask the AI to change things. It's a fully collaborative building experience. You just describe what you want, the AI builds a starting point, and then you refine it together until it's exactly right. Now, we're not going to go through the full workflow configuration in this video, but I actually created a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to set up an automated workflow inside GoHighLevel, and I'll link to that in the video description below if you want to go deeper on this feature and actually build out one for yourself. So check out that video if you want to learn more about how to set up automations in GoHighLevel. So that's a full look at GoHighLevel's AI Studio and all the AI tools available inside the platform. And honestly, we're just scratching the surface of what you could do with all these tools once they're set up and running in your business. And if you want to get in and try this for yourself, I've got a link in the video description below where you could start a free 30-day trial of GoHighLevel, and that's double the usual trial length. So you've got plenty of time to explore everything that we went through today and actually start building your AI tools and workflows. And on that note, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So that's going to do it for this video. If you found it helpful, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Blog with Ben YouTube channel. Also, if you're looking to start a blog, check out these 2 videos on how to build, grow, and monetize a WordPress blog. They'll walk you through the entire process step by step. And as always, your support means a great deal to me and my family, and for that, I thank you. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.